This is my new 1972 Chevelle I just recently got. Making a video on it before I do any upgrades on it. Anybody looking to buy a Chevelle, this is, just giving a good review on mine. Original California car, never left California. Just got it probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Got the cowl hood, 17-inch torque thrust rims, disc in the front. Paint job's 5 to 7 years old. The guy had it for 13 years, and I just recently got it. Has 120,000 miles on it. He got the car at 80,000. I got paperwork to prove that I just got it at 120. It's got factory 12-bolt, new trailer arms, new bushings, new everything, flowmaster exhaust. I just steam cleaned the whole underbody, took it somewhere, came out nice. Like I said, never left California. It's a real clean one. Bought it from a guy out there in Oakland. Paint job isn't great, but it does the job. It's a street car. Let me show the motor. Has the original 350 in it with a 3-speed automatic, AC and heat work. I have the receipt where he took it to the shop and did an overhaul on the motor to bring it back to life, just so it updates a lot of the functions and gaskets and all that. Probably gonna upgrade with electric fans. This works okay, but just cause. Let me show you the inside. Inside is all original. Original rug, original headliner, dome light works, seats go back and forth. Real clean project. Has the RPM tax, the volts, water. The dash is not all cracked up. It has a radio. He installed it in here. Nice little touch. I upgraded with a Bluetooth deck instead of the CD one. Like I said, it just rolled over not too recently. And I got the book for it and the build sheet. It came out of Los Banos assembly plant by LA, and it was sold in Sacramento dealership, in which I got it from I'm like the third owner, I believe. Show the trunk. He did tint the windows. They have a little tint on them. I can't find no rust on the car. Got this cover back here. Little surface, but no holes, no nothing. Has speakers in here. Nothing spectacular. Did the job. Old amp. But I'm gonna be taking that out and upgrading it. Let me start it up. All original steering wheel.